Have you ever wondered about that sudden wave of calm, clarity, or even indifference that can wash over a man right after the peak of intimacy? That intense moment of reflection, often humorously dubbed post-nut clarity, isn't just a psychological quirk, it's a fascinating and complex neurochemical event happening inside the brain. Let's dive into the neuroscience behind this phenomenon and understand what's really going on. To truly grasp post-nut clarity, we first need to understand the journey the male brain takes during arousal and climax. As excitement builds, the brain's reward system kicks into high gear, releasing a powerful neurotransmitter called dopamine. Dopamine is the chemical of motivation, pleasure, and reward. It's what makes you seek out enjoyable experiences, from eating a delicious dessert to achieving a personal goal, and it plays a central role in sexual arousal. As arousal intensifies, dopamine levels surge, creating a state of focused desire and intense pleasure. This flood of dopamine is what drives the pursuit of climax, making the experience feel incredibly rewarding and all-consuming. Your brain is essentially saying, "This is good. Keep going." Everything else fades into the background as the brain prioritizes this single, pleasurable goal. But then, the moment of climax arrives, and everything changes in an instant. Immediately following orgasm, the brain undergoes a dramatic and rapid chemical shift. The dopamine faucet, which was wide open just moments before, is abruptly turned down. This sudden drop in dopamine is the first key player in post-nut clarity. The reward circuit that was firing on all cylinders suddenly goes quiet. The intense motivation and desire that were present just seconds ago dissipate, leaving a void. This can lead to a feeling of satisfaction and completion, but also a sense of detachment from the act that was just so important. It's like finishing the last page of a thrilling book. The excitement is over, and you're back in the real world. The brain is no longer chasing a reward, so its focus shifts. Simultaneously, as dopamine levels fall, another crucial hormone enters the stage: prolactin. The pituitary gland releases a significant spike of prolactin into the bloodstream immediately after climax. This hormone has a variety of functions in the body, but in this context, its primary role is to suppress dopamine and, consequently, sexual arousal. Prolactin essentially acts as the brain's off switch for sexual desire. This is why men experience a refractory period, a window of time after orgasm during which they are unable to become aroused or have another climax. The higher the spike in prolactin, the longer this refractory period typically lasts. This hormonal surge is a biological mechanism to signal that the act is complete and it's time for the body to rest and recover. This combination of plummeting dopamine and soaring prolactin creates the unique mental state of post-nut clarity. The brain is effectively shifting from a state of seeking and desire to one of satiety and reflection. The intense, primal drive is gone, and in its place, the more analytical and rational parts of the brain come back online. This allows for a different kind of thinking to emerge. Without the powerful influence of dopamine driving behavior, a person might look back on their recent actions with a more detached, and sometimes critical, perspective. Thoughts that were pushed aside by the wave of arousal can now come to the forefront. This is where the clarity part of the term comes from. It can be a moment of profound insight, where you see a situation or a relationship with fresh eyes. The emotional intensity has subsided, allowing for a more logical and sober assessment. From an evolutionary standpoint, this process makes perfect sense. The goal of the act, procreation, has been achieved. The refractory period enforced by prolactin ensures that energy is conserved. The shift in mental state allows the individual to re-engage with their surroundings and assess any potential threats or other needs, moving from a state of focused desire to one of broader awareness. This biological reset is an efficient way for the body to transition from one behavioral mode to another. It ensures that the intense focus required for intimacy doesn't persist indefinitely, allowing for other important cognitive functions to resume. So, the next time you or a partner experiences that sudden shift from intense passion to quiet contemplation, you'll know it's not just a mood swing. It's a powerful and completely natural neurochemical ballet, orchestrated by the rise and fall of dopamine and prolactin. Understanding the science behind our feelings and behaviors can demystify them, replacing confusion with curiosity and appreciation for the intricate workings of the human body. It's a testament to how our biology shapes our psychology in the most intimate moments of our lives. If you found this exploration of the brain's chemistry interesting and want to learn more about the fascinating science of human sexuality, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We are Sex Education Repo, and we're dedicated to providing clear, informative, and engaging content.